everybody. I just wanted to give you a little heads up on the pontoons for the Mavic Pro. Okay. Don't buy these things to land in the water. Okay. It's extremely dangerous for your Mavic Pro. Okay. So I was talking to Ron Brown the other day and I said, well, I'm going to get this thing out to the creek. And I went to the creek and the water was too shallow. So I went to a pond. And now I looked at some YouTube videos on this, and there's a guy that has this exact pair. He was able to get these to work, but I cannot get them to work. But what I did was I just didn't go and fly it. I walked over to the pond and set it in the water. And as soon as I set that sucker in the water, it started sinking. I think if they had more arms, if they had arms on the back and the front, like you would have to buy another set of these to get the hoops, two more, that might work. But no matter which way I put the pontoon, it would sink. Now the guy that did this, or had a set of these, he was in Britain, and it worked, but I don't know why, because this thing just immediately wants to sink. As soon as it was okay in the sink, but that's because the water wasn't that deep. It seemed to be floating in the sink. But when I went out and set it in the lake, it immediately just went this way and started to go down. I mean, I grabbed it, I had my hand right over it like that, so it wouldn't go in there. And then I adjusted the pontoons to go forward, whichever way it was. It's either dipping head first, it was going to go in, or it was going to go backwards in. So I would not recommend these to purchase. It's really risky. I mean, if you wanted to get these to land it in the snow and in mud and stuff like that, or just a little bit of water, yeah, they would be okay, because they don't seem to affect the flight, and they're very light. So they don't affect the flight performance that much. This Mavic Pro is so good that, I mean, almost nothing affects this thing. Okay, I mean, I saw a YouTube video where the guy cut the props with the scissors, all four of them. And there was hardly any prop on there, and that thing was still flying, okay? So this thing is a beast. This Mavic Pro is a monster. But I would not trust these things for going and dropping in a lake. I just wouldn't. And I have another set of these coming for the Mavic Air. So I'm going to try them out. Now, Captain Drone had a pair for the Mavic Air, and he made a video of it, but he never landed it in the water, okay? He landed it in some mud hole. It was mud hole with about an inch or two of water in there. Yeah, and it was fine. But he never tried to land it on water, so maybe he already had found out that wasn't going to hang. So, but the Mavic Air is a lot lighter than the Mavic Pro, so I don't know. It just wants to sink no matter which way I set it. It just wants to fall right in the water. Oh well. All right, guys. Don't buy them. Okay, don't buy this unless you just want to use them for mud and snow. All right, guys. Talk to you later.